The way that you get your fabric or your work off your needles is by binding off, otherwise known as casting off. It just gives it this nice clean edge and it stops it from unraveling. So what you'll do is you'll take your work and you'll knit 2 or purl 2, depending on what your pattern says, but in this case what we're going to do is we're going to knit 2 stitches. Now you will pass the first stitch over the second stitch. So you'll take your left needle and lift up that first stitch and bring it over the top of the second stitch, and you'll start again. Now you'll knit 1, so you've got 2 stitches on your needle, and then you'll pass the first stitch over the top of the second stitch and repeat again. You'll knit 1, pass the first stitch over top of the second stitch, and you'll repeat this until the end of the row, until you have 1 stitch left on your needle. You'll then take your yarn snaps and cut the tail of your yarn so it's roughly 20 centimeters long. You'll then pull the last stitch off your needle and pull the tail through the stitch, creating a knot. Pull it nice and tight so it doesn't unravel. Lastly, you'll take your tapestry needle and sew in your loose end so it won't unravel,